Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, and now we are going to sort out how to run C++ code in Visual Studio Code without any error in Visual Studio Code terminal. And I'm also facing that issue from a long time, and I've also gone through a lot of videos in YouTube, but I'm not able to get a proper solution for this. And even after installing NinjaW, also I'm getting the error from a long time. And for that issue, we need to do just a small changes in our Visual Studio Code. And first of all, you need to check whether you installed the proper extensions in your Visual Studio Code. For that, you need to click on extensions here, and here you need to check C++ IntelliSense debugging, this extension whether you installed or not. I already installed this in my Visual Studio Code. If you didn't install it, please click on install here, and the next one you need to click on code runner. Click on this extension, and you need to install this thing as well, and click here to install this. And after installing this, uh, we need to go to settings here below left side. Click on this and go to settings again here, and here if you scroll you can see running terminal. Actually this is not checked in my Visual Studio Code. Later what I did is I simply clicked on this, and I pressed Ctrl plus S. Please click Ctrl plus S. Okay. Now we'll see let's our run code will run or not in terminal, and click on run code here. Now I'm able to get the output in my Visual Studio Code terminal. So this is the changes you need to do in your Visual Studio Code. uh, Please try this, and please let me know in comments whether this worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.